This 2021 housing market has been absolutely brutal so far this year, especially for buyers. If you're out there trying to buy a house, you are definitely going to be going up against many other buyers, getting into multiple offer situations, and probably a bidding war, potentially giving up your appraisal contingency or your inspection contingency, and more than likely going to be overpaying for the house, in addition to paying for some of the seller's expenses as well. I was up in Centennial and I decided to stop by the Winslow Community Built by LENNAR. This is a townhouse slash condo type community, but there is no waiting list. That's the one great thing here. If you get out there and get your spot reserved, you're going to be moving in pretty quickly. So stick around, because the tour of the Bartlett, the first one in this series, is going to be coming up for you right after the intro. Hey residents, how's it going today? MJ here. Welcome back to Las Vegas Home Tours. Today we are off of the US 95 and Ann Road up near Centennial Hills. We are looking over the Winslow community, more specifically the Bartlett floor plan. This home does feature 1,161 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-bay garage, all starting at $279,990. Now this is a LENNAR home, so that means everything is included. I'll be doing my best to go over the features as we come across them in this home. And we have already come into this home. Downstairs is going to be the garage, where you're going to get a 19'8" by a 22'4" garage with a little bonus storage area. You're going to get carpet throughout this home, with the exception of the wet areas, which include the entryway, the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the laundry area. In those areas, you will get a durable laminate flooring, maybe similar to something like you're seeing on the floor here, where they upgraded and actually had it put in through the entire home, with the exception of the stairs when we came up. There is a coat closet downstairs. Also in the garage, there is a tankless water heater as well as fluorescent lighting. The rest of the house will be LED lighting. Looking in the kitchen here, you do get a slab granite countertop with a 42-inch cabinetry in either a dark or a light color. There will be a crown molding on top of the cabinetry. You'll also get a GE stainless steel appliance package, which you're seeing here. You get the refrigerator, the microwave, the oven, and the dishwasher. They have a single basin undermount sink here. Real nice backsplash tile here. That is an upgrade at the design studio. You get a 4-inch backsplash with the granite countertop there. There is a nice little balcony off of this particular model, and it is covered. Very nice feature to have. Overall, I think the size of this is very comfortable. It's not real big. The living area is 10'5" by 15'3", and the dining area is 8'8" by 9'5". Coming back into this first bedroom here, this bedroom is 10'5" by 10'8". It is a standard size bedroom, and it does have the standard closet there as well. Right across the hall is the bathroom, where you'll get a slightly smaller vanity than the primary bathroom. Here's where the washer and dryer is, which is included with the model. And here's the bathroom. You do get a marble style countertop with the rectangular undermount sinks. You get a subway style look in the shower surround there, which is a fiberglass. LENNAR has done a really good job building out their communities and making sure that they are stable as a business as well. They have their own mortgage company as well as their own title service, home insurance, and they have a really nice warranty included with their homes as well. There's the master suite here. This room is 13'5" by 14'9". It does have its own walk-in closet as well as a primary bathroom right off of this master suite as well. It is a single vanity in this one. It is a 36-inch vanity, so it is a little bit taller. You also get the same surround style in this bathroom as well. It'll be the subway style look as you're seeing here. It is a little dark in here, sorry about that. Some of the nice other features that you do get in this home, you do get a Ring video doorbell as well as a whole entire Ring alarm system. You get the Euro Pro 6 mesh Wi-Fi system. You get a LiftMaster MyQ garage door as well as the Honeywell thermostats. You'll also get flat screen hookups in the master suite as well as the living room. And then you'll have TV outlets in the other spaces as well. This home is built out with the TAEX pest control system in the walls, and you'll also get 2-inch faux wood blinds throughout the entire home. Very few builders actually do that for you. Well guys, that about wraps it up for the tour for the Bartlett. What'd you think of it? Let us know in the comments below. Also, give us your story down below of how you got into your house, whether it be COVID or not. I know there's a lot of crazy real estate stories out there. Let's hear them. Let's get a discussion started down there. I want to hear back from every single one of you. And if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That way you're feeding the YouTube algorithm so this video can be discovered by more people just like you. And if you're interested in seeing the next model in this series, which is the Bloomfield, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. That way you're notified as soon as I upload it next Friday. I would like to personally thank LENNAR for having us out and allowing us to film these models. That way we can get these videos prepared just for you and make your shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching with me today and touring all the way to the end of the video. We'll see you guys next week. Later.
Get me out of here.